takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 4 books that every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Okay everyone, this is the 12-month, but it's actually 14 months, and the 6th month, which is the 7th month for the top. So what you'll see is the over 12 months for the top, and then the 7 months for the back, the second procedure. So this first procedure is for the top, and then the second procedure in the back. So this is how it's coming in. This is the 14th month for this top portion, and the 7th month for the back portion. And I think it's coming in quite nice, looking real good. So I'm satisfied. And if you know what it was before I went, this is pretty amazing. So, hey, like I said, if this is for you, get it done. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Okay guys, coming from where I've been, from what I used to have, to where I am now, and it's only going to grow and get longer every day. Looking at it, what do you think? Is it worth it? Do you think what I did is worth it? I do. Coming from where I was, where it is now, I think it's well worth it. Give me your opinion. So it's going to grow, get longer, and better. Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with thee.